Hey guys, it's Side Hustle Keisha. I wanted to share another video that I did on my Keisha's Unfiltered channel. I thought about it after I did it and uploaded that this could be a cool side hustle for you. It's a great way to get extra fun stuff for you and your family, and extra money, extra cash, extra gift cards. I'll tell you how. Watch the video to the end and you can apply it to you and your own personal needs or wants. Have a happy holiday. Check out the video. Happy holidays. This is Keisha's Unfiltered Life. Welcome back to another blog that we did today. Daryl and I won a giveaway, which took us to shopping at the Legacy West in Plano, Texas. It's a high-end outdoor shopping center. And no, it's not snowing. We just put this little effect to make it feel more like Christmas. So sit back and enjoy. We're just going to take you on a quick day with us, a vlog with us, and let you see a little bit of Plano, Texas if you're not from here. So stay tuned, stay connected. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so, okay? We start at Starbucks and I'll show you where we end, okay? Let me see you, Daryl. Show me your cake pop. You ate it already. So next we ended up at Tecovas, and Tecovas is I would say more of like a Western style shoe store and apparel store. They have everything from cowboy boots to nice shirts, hat, and luggage like tote bags. And they have a really nice tote bag that I wanted, but unfortunately they didn't have it in any stock. They're all sold out, but they have me on the waiting list, so I will come back in and get my tote bag because I received a $200 gift certificate to this store. So mama getting her a tote bag. But check out the store. It's very well decorated. I love the decor in the store. And honey, when you sitting there waiting, you get you a nice you can get you a nice cocktail or nice water. I had the ranch water, which I've had the ranch water before, but I had the blue, and I can't remember what the blue is, but I tried something different this time. And we just sat there, and when I tell you, everybody today was amazing. I can't remember the guy's name, but he's from Hawaii, and his name is Hawaiian, he told me, and it was beautiful. It's like, I think Kailua, something like that. But anyway, he was super nice. He walked Daryl around, asked Daryl what kind of boots did he want. We had a good time. We didn't get anything. I still have my gift card. See, I'm enjoying my nice little cocktail while we just take a break because it is cold outside, but it wasn't snowing. And we had so much fun. And while we were in there, someone was getting their boots shined. It was so much fun. Here's the bag that I want. It's $195. It's a nice tote. We'll come back after Christmas. And also they have alerts set up to send me emails and alert to my text message when the bag comes back in. So I look forward to going back to the store, having another ranch water, and picking up my bag. So next stop was Lululemon. I think that's how you say that, Lululemon. But honey, they was crowded. The line was wrapped around the store, and Keisha was not waiting. I saw two things in there that I'm gonna get, and I'll show you on the next slide because I'll look it up on their website because I didn't take video of it. But one of the girls gave me a tip. It's like it's a Canadian-based company, and they have a wonderful sale after Christmas. So she gave me a tip. I think I'm gonna hold on to my gift card until then, but I saw two things. One is like a little bag, a little small bag I can put my cell phone in and credit cards. And then one was another one like went around your body, a body bag. And they're vinyl, so it's not leather or anything like that. But I thought it'd be good to get those two bags for when I'm running errands, and I didn't want to carry a big purse. So I'll show you guys those on the website. I was saying the store name wrong. My sister corrected me. It's Lululemon. Very nice store. I recommend it. Okay, so we're on Lululemon website, and I just saw a little like crossbody athletic bag that I wanted to get. And let's see if it's women, it's accessories, it's bags. So let's see. This was the first bag here, is the Easy Access Crossbody bag. That was the bag that I saw. And I just wanted something that I can carry, run out of the house, carry my phone, carry my keys, carry my debit card, maybe some hand sanitizer, and keep it moving. Nothing fancy, just something to carry if I'm running to, if we're taking a walk, if we're going to the grocery store, just something easy. And that's what I wanted, but the young lady gave me a tip and said the Canadian New Year, they were going to have a really big sale. So she said I can come back because I didn't want to wait in the line. The line was super long. I mean, it was wrapped around the whole store. So I like that. It was a backpack that I saw that I wanted as well. But there was another bag and I cannot find it. It was like, I'm thinking it was this bag here, which is the multi-pocket belt bag, but it looked different on the rack. It looked like you more could carry it. Well, that is it. Okay, so it's in black. That's it. So I wanted to have two like quick, easy bags I can grab and just run somewhere, and nothing fancy, just casual run in and out. So that was the bag. So she said they have a sale, so I'm going to wait. But I thought the bag was $38. I'm going to wait to the sale. So I have a $100 gift card here. I'm so grateful. They have some really cool stuff. It's athletic wear. So if you're ever in Legacy West, stop in, but you can also go over to their website, Lululemon. So they have some really cute stuff, cute jackets. I may look at some other stuff on here. It's more of a higher end athletic wear store. As you can see, their prices are a little bit higher, but I love this puffy jacket right here. So check them out, okay? I like them. I'm looking forward to see what the sale is and see what I end up with. So our next stop is Read Between the Lines, and we had a $50 gift card here. And I love that they have some wonderful cards and pens and books here.
How are you?
But what did I find
Great.
Inside, honey? I didn't know what I was gonna get. I was like stuck between getting some stationery. I had already got my Christmas cards and things like that, but I was thinking stationery for the rest of the year, all the different holidays that are coming up. But honey, when I ran into these wonderful gummies, you'll see them in the next video. These gummies are cocktail gummies, and I loved the concept of a gummy, vitamins, gummy, anything, but it's a cocktail gummy. And lady said she had two. The owner said she had two, and she was there. But I just wanted to try them out, so that's what I ended up getting. But the store is super cute, and when I tell you everybody was super nice and very helpful in each store that we went in. These are the cute little earrings I saw. I was leaning towards between those two pair of earrings. Those earrings are so cute. I think they were $34. Yes, $34. But when I went to this section, I found out something new. These are cocktail gummies, and as you can see, I had to take a step back because look, they have all different flavors. Berry daiquiri, I think this one is the passion mojito or something like that, and these are single cocktails and gummy cocktails. So cute. They have all kind of pens and stationery. This was the cutest store. I'll definitely be back, and I've already called them because I want to see if I could ship some of these cocktail gummies to some people I know that would really enjoy them. But you'll see the box on the end. I was gonna get the singles, but then she shared with me they had a box of 10, which I will have a video for that. You'll see that next. But it was such a cute little idea and a cute little holiday gift. It's actually a good gift to keep in your especially if you're hosting a party and people show up that maybe you weren't expecting, that's a cool little gift. They also had an ornament that had 2 cocktails in. I think that was $8.50. The box of 10 were $32.95. This store is just super cute. If you're looking for little trinkets for your home, these are matches. Those are so high end. It was $18 for that, but this is what I ended up getting: the box of tequila time, and then I got 2 boxes. And I just wanted to try them out, and then I might share them with friends. They make good stocking stuffers. The people in the store, I saw people in the store with 4 to 6 of these boxes in their baskets, okay? So I think this will be my gift for next year. I will definitely go back to Read Between the Lines and get this for gifts and send them to friends and family next year. Absolutely, okay? So you guys check out Read Between the Lines in Plano. If you're in the area, check them out. I loved it, okay? Okay. What you gonna tell him?
What are you gonna tell me? Yes, and what would you like? Let's stand and work on that. We're gonna get you something really nice. But you know what you gotta do now? We gotta both take our Christmas smiles and give them to that lady right up there. Are you ready?
Okay, let me stop the video. They have the whole outdoor shopping center decorated so nice. I can't wait to come back and see it at night. We have not been by there. We drove by there a couple of times, but we haven't drove through to see the lights or walk through during nighttime. So I know it's going to be beautiful. I know it's lovely. We definitely will be back later this week since we're on our staycation and we're looking for lights and attractions and fun things to do while we are home this week. You guys definitely, if you ever visit Plano, definitely check out Legacy West. Now this is Shake Shack, and we enjoyed our burgers from here. They were really, really good. So I'm just kind of like showing you guys some of the shops that I can see out the window. But our burgers were really good. The service was good. This was not included in our giveaway, but this is a shot of a video from like us about to leave. But I'm gonna take you guys backwards to some of the other stores and the other stores that Legacy West has to offer. So I hope you guys enjoy. This would have been the end of our using our gift cards and going into the stores that we got our gift cards from. But I'm gonna take you kind of backwards so you can see some of the other stores they had to offer and some of the other attractions.
This is called the Cat on the Wall.
Okay.
This is called the Cat on the Wall. This is called...
Wait a minute. Okay.
This is called the 7 Reindeers. Or let me count it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is called the 11 of these reindeers.
Okay, let's go. You gonna do the next one? Show me the other ones.
This is called the Black Christmas Tree.
That's called the Black Christmas Tree.
Yes. Black.
Next.
This is called the Green Birthday Sign.
Okay.
This is called Santa's New Shark.
Okay.
This.
So we went by, they have some wonderful high-end stores, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Tory Burch. We went into Tory Burch. Of course, that wasn't included with our giveaway or our gift cards, but we definitely stopped in to check out the latest handbags and accessories at Tory Burch. And of course, as always, as usual, they have some beautiful pieces there. And I hadn't been in there in a while, so the staff was so amazing and so welcoming and so helpful. You definitely want to check out Legacy West in Plano, Texas if you ever stop and visit here, especially if you head over to Frisco or if you're here for, say, a Cowboys game or visiting friends and family. We had a good time. So I wanted to tell you how I won this gift, this little shopping spree. Dallas Love List is a blogger. I said a blogger. She has a blog. She also is on Instagram. Check her out. It's at Dallas Love List. She tells you everything to do throughout the Metroplex, from Dallas to Plano to Carrollton, Highland Village. And I follow her to find out cool things for me to do, or me and my son to do together. And we have visited some of the spots that she recommends, but she had a giveaway. I entered by tagging my friends, following the steps, and I won this little shopping spree, and we had a good time. It was perfect timing because we were going to be home this week before Christmas, so it was really perfect. It's such a blessing. And we had a good time. We had plans to do things every day this week, but that was just an extra added bonus. So if you are on Instagram, I encourage you, wherever you live, find out who the bloggers are, find out who the influencers are, follow them, because they'll keep you in the loop of what's going on in your area, and they always do giveaways. And that way you can get some free things for you and your family to do. It always saves on money, but it always is a nice special treat and a blessing when you can and you do win. And they do work, because believe me, I will tell you, I probably won a little bit doing just tagging friends and reposting on my stories. I've probably run up to say about maybe $1,000 in cash and maybe $2,500 to $3,500 in gift cards. So I do it all the time when I see them, the people I follow, and I've been following a while. I trust them. I tag my friends and share those companies and those businesses with them. And I have won before. So I encourage you to do so. It's just a cool another way to get some extra treats for you, yourself, or your family. Okay. You guys have a blessed holiday season. Stay connected, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the scene at Legacy West. Make sure you drop a comment below. You can share it on your social media. You can follow me here on YouTube at Keisha's Unfiltered Life. And then also I'll be launching Keisha's Unfiltered Life on Instagram shortly. You guys have a blessed holiday season. Be safe. Make sure you call someone you haven't talked to in a while. Also, tell people you love them. Tell people how much they mean to you. We've had the last 2 rough years, and it's so important to tell people how you feel about them and let them know that they matter and that they care, because you never know what somebody's going through. Everybody needs a little extra love during this crazy time that we've been having. But enjoy your holiday season. Don't let nothing get you down, because you know what? It's always a rainbow at the end of the storm. Have a good one. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. So you want to follow all the bloggers, all the food influencers, all the city influencers, people who tell you what to do in whatever city you live in. They'll say, tag your friends or post this in your stories. I do that and I win. So this is another cool little side hustle for you. It's a fun little side hustle. Get your friends and family involved and you may win. I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays. Have a safe and merry, merry, merry Christmas from my house to your house, from my family to your family. See you in my next video.